Very good morning to everybody. Now we are going to see exercise 8.1 12th sum. The 12th sum is the measurements of the diameters. The diameters are in the measurement of in centimeters of the plates prepared in a factory are given below. Find the standard deviation. Now in diameter 21 to 24, number of plates is 15. 25 to 28, number of plates is 18. For the diameter 29 to 32, the number of plates is 20. For the diameter 33 to 36, the number of plates is 16. For the diameter 37 to 40, the number of plates is 8. For the diameter 41 to 44, the number of plates is 7. So now what is the criteria is we need to find the value of standard deviation. So while we are going to find out the value of standard deviation, how we are going to perform it. Now diameter in centimeter. How much? 21 to 24, 25 to 28, 29 to 32, 33 to 36, 37 to 40, 41 to 44. Number of plates. Number of plates is how much? 15, 18, 20, 16, 8, 7. We need to write the numbers as per the question whichever they have given. Directly we need to write it the numbers. Otherwise we will be doing the mistakes. So now number of plates we have written. Now next one is mid value. We need to find it out. Mid value is how much? Then after that we need to find the DI value. DI value is xi minus a. Then next one is a number of plates would be considered as Fi. Now Fi DI is how much? Then next one is before finding the Fi di square, we need to find, I mentioned di square. Fi di square. So now, what we need to do? We need to do this. The next one is sigma Fi di. Sigma Fi di square. So now, how we need to find out the xi value? How we need to find the xi value? How we need to find the xi value? We need to find the xi value by this, the diameter which they have given, 21 to 24. How they have given? So 21 to 24 is 21 plus 24 by 2, because two numbers are there. So 21 plus 24 equal to how much? 45 by 2. 45 by 2 is 22.5. 22.5. The next one is 25 plus 28. How much? 25 plus 28 by 2. How much? 8 plus 5, 13. So 53 by 2. 53 by 2 is 26.5. The next one is 29 to 32. How much it will come? 29 plus 32 divided by 2. How much the value? 29 plus 32 is how much? 11, 1, 61. 61 by 2 is 30.5. 33 plus 36 by 2. 69 by 2 is 34.5. Next one, 37, 40. 37 plus 40 divided by 2 is how much? 77 by 2. So 77 by 2 is 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 8 2s are 16, 1 0, 5. Then 41 plus 44, how much? 41 plus 44 is divided by 2, 85 by 2. 85 by 2 is how much? 85 by 2 is 42.5. So this is the xi value which we have found out. The next thing is dA equal to xi minus a. So xi minus a is assumed mean. We need to find out the value of assumed mean. Assumed mean is how much? 1, 2. By this xi value only we need to find out the assumed mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how we need to find total number of values? Total number of values by 2 plus 1. Total number of values is how much? 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 2 plus 1. 6 by 2 is how much? 3. 3 plus 1? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the fourth value is which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth value is 34.5. 34.5 is assumed mean. 34.5. So now dA equal to xi minus a value is 34.5. So now 22.5 minus 34.5 is how much? 22.5 minus 34.5 is how much? Now we can do the calculation. 22.5 minus 34.5. How much? 0, 12, 8, then this is 0. So how much it will come? 1 second. Minus 34.5, 22.5. How much? 0. Minus into plus minus. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So now minus 12. Because the highest value sign is minus. The next one is 26.5. 26.5 minus 34.5. 34.5 plus 26.5. Minus into plus minus. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 14. 14 minus 6 is how much? 8. Minus sign, we need to mention it. So minus 8. Now, next thing is 30.5. This one minus 34.5. So minus 34.5 plus 30.5. How much? Minus into plus minus. So 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. Which sign we need to mention? Plus or minus? Minus only we need to mention it. Because the highest value sign is minus. So minus 4. 34.5 minus 34.5 is 0. 38.5 minus 34.5. How much? 5 minus 5? 0. 8 minus 4? 4. So plus 4. 42.5. minus 32.5, 34.5 is how much? 8. So 8. So now we have found out the value of di. Then next, what we need to do? We need to find the value of Fi into di. This value we need to mention it. Fi into di. So 15 into 12. How much? 15 into 12. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 5 is 5. 1 1s are 1. 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 1. So minus 180. The next one is 18 into 8. This is 18 into minus 8 is minus. 8 into 8, 64. Balance 6. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6, 144. 20 into minus 4, how much? Minus 80. 16 into 0, 0. 8 into 4, 32. 7 into 8, 56. 7 into 8, 56. So now we need to do the calculation. We need to add these values. So while we are adding these values, what are the values? We need to find out the sigma Fi di. So now this values also we need to add. Sigma, that is summation of Fi equal to how much? 15 plus 8, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 plus 7, 34. Balance 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 84. Now sigma Fi di, how much? Sigma Fi di, how much? 56 plus 32, 88. 88 minus 80. 88 minus 80, 8. Minus 180 minus 144. How much? 4. 8 plus 4, 12. Balance 1, 3. Minus 324. Plus 8. Minus how much? 14. 14 minus 8, 6. This one, 1. 3, 3. Minus 316. Minus 316. Now, di square is how much? Minus 12 whole square, 144. Minus 8 whole square, 64. Minus 4 whole square, 16. 0 square, 0. 4 square, 16. 8 square, that is, this is the di value. Di we are going to do the square. So minus 12 whole square is 12 into minus 12 into 12 plus 144. 8 into 8 how much? 64. 4 into 4, 16. 0 into 0, 0. 4 square. So 4 into 4, 16. 8. So 8 square how much? 64. Now Fi di square. This Fi into di square. We need to do the calculation. We need to do the calculation of Fi di square. So Fi di square is, Fi is how much? 15. Di square is 144. So 15 into 144 how much? 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 into 15 is how much? 15. So 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Balance 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2160. The next one is 18 into 64. We need to do the calculation. 18 into 64, how much? 18 into 64. 8 fours are 32. Balance 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 6 are 48. Balance 4. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 2. 8 plus 7, 15. Balance 1. 1 plus 0, 1. The next one is 20 into. We need to do the calculation correctly. So, we need to do the calculation correctly. That is, Fi is Fi di square. Fi di square is, this is Fi. Di square is this one. Fi is 20. Di square is 16. So, 20 into 16. How much? 20 into 16. 6 to 0. We can put it here. 6 into 2, 12. Balance 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So, 320. The next one is 16 into 0, 0. 8 into 16. Here 8 is there. Here 16. 8 into 16. 8 6 are 48. Balance 4. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 4, 12. The next one is 7 into 64. How much? 7 into 64. 7 fours are 28. Balance 2. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2, 44. Now, we need to add these values and put it here. Sigma Fi di square equal to how much? So now we need to add the values. We can do it in the rough column. So while you are doing it in the rough column, how we can do? We can do here like this. 2160, 1152, 320, 128, 448. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 2, 18. Balance 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So, 4208. This is the value of sigma Fi di square. So, this is the calculation. Now, next one is, we need to find the value of standard deviation. How we need to find the value of standard deviation? What is the formula of standard deviation? The standard deviation formula is SD, standard deviation, equal to sigma Fi di square by sigma Fi minus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi whole square. This is the formula. So by this formula we need to find out the content. Sigma Fi di square, what is the value? 4208. So now sigma Fi di square is 4208 by sigma Fi. What is the sigma Fi value? Sigma Fi value is 84. So the same value I need to mention it. 84 minus sigma Fi di square. Sigma Fi di square is minus 316. So we need to mention here minus 316 whole square. Minus 316 by sigma Fi is this 84. whole square. We need to mention it whole square. Now we need to find the value of this. How we are going to find out the value? For example, now 316 first we can do this division. 4208 divided by 84 is how much? I am unable to do this rough count, so here itself I will do the calculation. 4208 divided by 84. How much? 184, 584s we can count. 584s means it's not possible. So 4 into 84. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So now, or else, sorry, or 5 also we can put it. 5. 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 8 5s are 40. 42. So 0. 420 minus 420, 0. Now, we are unable to divide 8 divided by 84. It's not possible. So dot we can mention it. 8, 0 we can. 8 we can erecting. Then after that 0 we are mentioning it. Then also what it will come? The value which will be coming is what? 0. 0 into 8 we are erecting. So 0 into 84, 0. 8, 0. This dot again 0. So now how much it will come? 1. So 50.1. 50.1 minus 316 divided by 84. 316 divided by 84 is how much? 5. 5 means it won't come. 4, 3. We can try with 3. 3 into 84. 3 4s are 12. Balance 1. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So, now we need to subtract the value. 6 minus 4 to 4. 11. This is 2. 11 minus 5, 6. So, now what would be the value? 64. We can't be able to do it. So 3 point. Now, what is the value it will be coming on? We can try with 7. 7 4s are 28. Balance 2. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2, 58. Then 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 2. 14, 13. So 5. 0. So likewise next 6. So 3.7 alone enough. 3.7 whole square. Then next 50.1 minus 3.7 whole square. 3.7 whole square is how much? 3.7 into 3.7. 7 7s are 49. Balance 4. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 7 3s are 21. Balance 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 13.69. 13.69. Because why we have decimal, putting decimal here means here 2 decimals. So 2 decimals we have mentioned. So now 50.1 minus 13.69. 10. 0. If we cut means 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 11. So now what the value will be coming on? 11 minus 6, 5. 4. Because 10. Here 9. How much? 5. Then 3. So 35.41. 35.41. This is the value. Now we need to find out the square root. How much? Approximately will come 35.41 is there. What is the square root value of 36? 6. So approximately it will come as 5.76 something. So we need to mention the value as approximately. So 6 is the answer. This is what about finding of the standard deviation.